I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
Hello guys, welcome back to Being Mrs. Fraser. Welcome if you're new. If you are new, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Come along and join my YouTube family. Today we are doing a quick reset here. As you can tell, this kitchen is a bit of a disaster. I had picked up a grocery order from BJ's and then we went grocery shopping at Walmart. And most of the items got put away. However, a few items got left out and those all need to be put away. I need to restock some items in the pantry, put all these dishes away, you know, all the things that just kind of get built up and forgotten about or left out when you're a busy mom of four. So we're gonna go ahead. It's been a hot minute since I gave you guys a cleaning motivation video, so I hope you're excited. But let's get to cleaning.
You just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay.
So I thought I would share my ideas of some upcoming videos that I have for you guys. We definitely have some shopping because who doesn't want to see all the new Christmas decor that'll be hitting at the stores soon. I know some stores have already started putting them out. You know, down here in Florida, I don't know. I feel like everybody waits forever to put things out down here. And I think it's just the weather because it's still absolutely beautiful and warm and all the things out down here. But I'm super excited to do some shopping videos, especially with like Kirkland's and Hobby Lobby, even some home goods videos I have planned for you guys. I am going with a different theme this year for Christmas, so I can't wait to share that with you as well. I also already have a collaboration for Christmas and I am so stinking excited. But yes, so we have those videos coming up. I have some more cleaning motivation for you guys. What else do we have going on? There's just a ton. Oh, we're decorating for Halloween. I have to decorate my front porch, which I apologize because I know that this video was supposed to be that front porch decorating video. However, I ordered something and it was not the right color, so I had to send it back and get a new one. So yes, I've been waiting on that, but I promise that'll be your next video. Just getting the front porch ready for fall, you know, with some fall foliage, decor, and stuff like that. Hopefully it'll help give you some inspiration. We also have to use those pumpkins that we made in our DIY Halloween video. So those will be out as well. But yeah, so I have a ton of ideas coming out for you guys, and I cannot wait. So I hope you guys will all stick by me and continue to support my videos. If you haven't already though, if that sounds like something right up your alley, something that you enjoy watching, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. I am so happy to have you guys here, and I hope that you will stick around.
Word has it, word has it, whisper through the grapevine. Word has it, word has it, whisper through the grapevine. You fade out. I'm gonna hand you the truth, hand you the truth. I ain't got a calling card. What can I do? Froze up by you, taking me by surprise. I'm gonna hand.
I hope you guys had a chance to check out my last video. I kind of gave my little counter coffee bar a little bit of a makeover. So if you haven't had a chance to check that out, definitely go do so. It's a short video, it's not super long, but I just thought it was fun to kind of bring in some warmth and give you guys some ideas on how to do a countertop coffee bar. At our old house, we had like a regular coffee bar. I guess I don't know. I guess I don't really know what a regular coffee bar is, but I had like a piece of furniture that my husband built me, and I absolutely love that piece, and I'm so sad that I can no longer use it as a coffee bar. I have plans for it though, and yes, I will be sharing with those, but that probably won't come till spring. However, anyway, I have only counter space, so I had to find a way to make my coffee bar look presentable, I guess. It's not even necessarily presentable because you guys, literally the only person that comes and sees this is my dad. But so I don't know, just make it pretty for me and my family, I guess, if you will, and you guys. So anyway, I was on the struggle bus with that, and I finally found some pieces that I really liked and put those together. And then we kind of gave it a little bit of a spooky touch for Halloween or fall or Falloween, if you will. And then I also shared a really yummy pumpkin spice creamer recipe with you guys. Okay, so I need to know, squirrel here, sorry, but I need to know, are you guys pumpkin spice fans, or are you apple fans, or like none of the above? Let me know down in the comments. If you are a pumpkin spice person, put a little like jack-o'-lantern emoji, and if you are an apple person, put a little apple. And if you don't like any of those, leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite like hot drink is. If it's not like an apple cider or hot coffee, maybe it's hot chocolate. Let me know down in the comments. I love chit-chatting with you guys, and I am very curious because your girl loves her some pumpkin spice.
We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love.
So I'm not doing a deep clean. I'm just kind of pulling out the easy stops here, you guys. This is basically just a reset to get my house back in order and, you know, everything put away so I can calm my mind, if you will. When a lot of things are out and about and there's just stuff everywhere, my my anxiety just gets extremely heightened, and I just kind of get a little like, you know, like I don't know how to explain it. But I just can't do it, and it was driving me crazy. And so really, I'm just trying to get everything put back together, reset. That way, you know, later on in the week, once I really am prepared, I can go in and do a deep cleaning without having all this clutter and everything everywhere. Because I do need to do that. I need to go in and vacuum out like the cupboards and the Lazy Susan and deep clean some of the appliances. But yeah, so as you can see though, the floor definitely needed mopped. That floor was gross, but the wet vac did a great job at picking a lot of that up. However, I also noticed that my wet vac needed a good cleaning. You should really be doing this almost every time you use your wet vac. We use this little guy a lot though, and so doing this often every time we use it is not realistic. And so I'm just gonna go ahead, give this guy a deep cleaning. I really wish that my sink, I love my black sink, but right at the moment I wish it wasn't black so you guys can see all the nasty guck and hair and yuckiness, everything that is coming out of this thing. It is so gross. But I'll show you all the hair and stuff that comes out of it here in a little bit, but I just wanted to get it cleaned up, you know, out and everything, give it a good old deep cleaning. So that way I can put it away for the day.
I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
Since we are officially all getting ready and moving into the holidays, including Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, all the things, what are your traditions? What do you guys do as a couple, with your friends, with your family, with your kiddos? What kinds of things do you guys like to do around the holidays? Right now I'm talking more probably specific to like Halloween or fall activities. If you live in Florida, that would really be helpful to let your girl know what happens down here. Last year was our first fall ever in Florida. We had never visited. We have never been here. You know, all the things for Florida. So I don't really know the area. I mean, I know my area well, but I don't know what kind of fall things happen here. You know, back home, we would go to like Vallis Pumpkin Patch. If you're from Nebraska, you know Vallis Pumpkin Patch. Or we would go out to Markman's Pumpkin Patch and get pumpkins and corn stalks and stuff like that to decorate with. We would carve pumpkins. But you know, up there, it's cool enough. The pumpkins would last quite a while. We could carve them about a week or so out from Halloween. Where down here, I've been told that you literally have like a day of carving pumpkins, and that's all you can leave them out for. So between the critters and the heat, so yeah, and I have not heard of any pumpkin patches or anything. Like I said, I don't know what kind of things go on down here. So if you're in the South, like I said, better if you're in Florida, and you can give me some ideas on things to do with my kiddos this fall, I would greatly appreciate it. Now, I have kind of thought about going into Orlando and taking them to the theme parks. But one, it's kind of expensive just for a few hours of fun, in my opinion. And then also for like, my kids are kind of maybe too old. I mean, Freddie might be okay for the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, but I feel like my girls would not appreciate that so much. And then I was like, okay, well, I'll take them to the Halloween Horror Nights at Universal, but I don't know that any of them would really like that either, except for maybe my oldest. So yeah, I'm really just struggling on figuring out fall family-friendly, teenage-friendly activities, fall time activities.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the
I know you guys are probably getting sick and tired of hearing about this bedroom, about this makeover that is supposed to happen that has not happened yet. But I definitely think I'm going to work on it in the spring. I haven't fully decided if I'm going to redo our furniture or not. I love our furniture and I don't want to get rid of it. I don't want to replace it with anything, but I'm not sure if I want to paint it or if I want to sand it down and restain it in a lighter finish. I haven't decided on that yet. I have decided on a wall color and a ceiling color-ish accent wall on the ceiling type situation. I'm so excited for that. I can't wait to share that with you guys. But my next issue is bedding. I would love to know where you guys are getting your bedding at these days. You know, Bed Bath & Beyond closed. However, I think it's Overstock that bought them out or merged or whatever they did. Oh my gosh, I had to show you guys this. She is just so stinking cute. You know, they say that cats do this only when they've been taken from their mamas too soon, but she didn't leave her mama for a while. She was much older than the recommended age, but she is just so funny. I don't know why she does this to the Sherpa blanket. Our other cat does it too. I don't know. They're so cute though. But anyway, where was I? Oh, bedding. So anyway, my question is, where are you getting your bedding at? We've bought from Bed Bath & Beyond, we've bought from JCPenney's, we've bought from Kohl's, I've bought from Amazon, but I would like to know where you guys shop for your bedding. I've never really found anything. I mean, everything's been good. It's fine. But I've not really found anything that I absolutely have fallen in love with. And I'm really on the hunt for that. I also need a new mattress cover because the one we currently have it's got the heated wires or whatever in it, and well, it's no longer cold here in the wintertime or where we live now, so we don't need that anymore. But you guys will have to let me know.
You got me locked upon it, you and me. Got me losing sleep, I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Alrighty guys, I hope that was a motivational video for you guys, and if you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button on your way out. I hope everyone stays happy, healthy, and safe. Until next time, we will see you in the next one. Bye guys.